Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is... Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I am going to be doing my own nails using Double Dipp'd custom dip powder. It is a 4-step process. The first step is the prep bond. The second step is the dip base. The third step is the activator, and then the fourth step is the dip top. Okay, basically the hardener, and then that's just to clean the brushes, just in case you get residue, powder, or whatever on your nails. Next up, we have our dip powders. The first one is the French white, and then also the Harley Quinn. These are my birthday nails, so I wanted to do white, but I also wanted to do a little bit of glitter, and I definitely am adding tips. You don't have to add tips, and this is just some of the tools that I use to help me in this process to make it a lot easier. You do not need any drill at all whatsoever to complete this set of nails, although a drill could definitely help, but I definitely use a file and a buffer for everything, as you guys will see. And this is just me showing you that I already went and measured my nails for the tips that I needed for each fingernail. So yeah, I am ready to get started. First, we are going to buff our nails just to get it a little jagged before we start to apply the tips, just so that it can stick, make sure it stick very well, so we have no poppage, so we have no poppage popping off. But you always want to keep your this is actually a makeup brush, but hey, it's useful. I'm just using regular nail glue. I put too much, so you see I tapped it a little bit. There's a tip there for you guys, and then you just press it, you know. And I do this to all of my nails until I am ready to clip them, because I'm going to do short. I don't want extra long nails. I'm a braider, so these are quote unquote called braiders nails, so you know you get that stitch game proper, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, I will be popping in and out of this video for you guys, so just continue watching, you guys. It was actually fun. I love doing my nails myself, honey. Get it done, get it the shape how I want it. Who going back to the salon? Maybe for a pedicure, but who going back to the salon? Not me. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, you guys, this video is not sponsored. Let's put that out there. But hey, Double Dipp'd, if you would like to sponsor me, please email me. Thank you. So as you see here, what I am doing, I am actually shaping my nails to the shape that I want. I love the box look, like the square look, not square round, square. And my pinky is going to be not so much stiletto, kind of stiletto, but more so like almondy. But yeah, it definitely helps with the stitch braids. Sorry you guys that I'm in and out of the frame, but next time, if you guys want me to do another video, please comment below and I will definitely show you a different shape, longer or without tips. Okay, so this part right here is very important, you guys. You have to file the tip down smooth so that you don't see it through the dipping process. Okay, so just make sure that you buff it really well to where it is smooth. Okay. All right, y'all, so I am applying step 1, the prep bond, to the entire nail, and then don't forget, push back your cuticles, of course, and then apply a thin coat of step 2, which is the dip base, which you guys are about to see right now. And then I am going in with the the dip base. Sorry, it's the dip base. That's where you dip the nail. Those two are Harley Quinn, and then the rest is the French white. I'm doing the entire nail because I want my white You know what I'm saying? That cocaine crazy, that godly. These are definitely my birthday nails, if I haven't mentioned it already. But yes, I believe I did 3 coats of the dip powder, and you just repeat this process until you the thickness that you like, and then after you get them as thick as you want, then you'll apply the activator, which would be the step 3 bottle. But okay, so we're doing a third. This is a third layer. I'll let you guys know once. Oh, see, look, I messed up. I forgot. You're supposed to make sure you dust off your nails 30 seconds after you have dipped it, because you don't want to have that powder inside of your dip base, which is the step 2. The bottle in step 2. You guys get what I mean. So this is the third coat. Let's see what I do. I brush them off. Okay, so we did only 3 coats, and yes, you want to clean up the cuticles. You're not supposed to get as far or close to the cuticle. This is step 3, the activator. You apply this to all the nails. So I did this, I believe I did it twice. I let it dry, and then I applied it again just for good measure. I tapped it to make sure that it was hard as well. Okay, now we're lightly buffing and shaping our nails, just so that it is smooth. You want it to look like, you know, you went to the nail salon. So you want to smooth it as much as you can, especially toward the cuticle area. You want that smoother than anything. But I'm also using the, what is this, nail file? Yeah. To shape and also to continue to buff it. Like I said before, if you have a drill, it would probably be so much faster and so much easier. But as long as you're doing thin coats each dip, you'll be fine. And as you guys can see, I'm doing this without a drill. So after that, I use a paper towel just to wipe it smooth. Okay, so this is the final step. It's the dip top. This is what's giving that shine, y'all. This is the last step. So y'all want to make sure that y'all let it dry, okay? Don't move. Let it dry first. I'm still on my first hand, too. And then after my, my right hand dried, I started my left hand. But I did two coats of the dip top. And boom, she done.
But I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle.
So y'all, if y'all made it to the end of this video, I appreciate y'all so very much. I know I do hair, but this also pertains to hair, because if you're a braider, then hey, look, we can do our own nails, okay? But yes, I appreciate you guys so very much for watching this video. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments below. Let your girl know. Talk to me. Let me know what y'all want to see so that I can produce this content for y'all, because I have so many ideas, but y'all don't give me enough feedback. So if y'all could do that for me, I appreciate y'all, and I will give y'all what y'all need, whatever y'all want. Let me know what other videos y'all would like to see. But this was my first time using the double dipped, and I am in love, you guys. I cannot wait to get more colors. So yes, thank you guys so very much again, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.